Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna do my April 24th recap. And actually today I also lost again. But like I said, in the last video, I see the mistakes, the losses as opportunity to grow, which it doesn't really affect me that much. I'm just like, I feel more like excited because I know I will get even more information which will help me get even more closer to being a profitable trader. So let's just get to the charts. So this is a trade that I took. As you can see, it's about to be a 1.23 risk reward ratio. But the reason I lost, I think, is because I got confused on my bias. As you can see, I read it up. But I think it's because I got confused on my bias. Because on the weekly, we're obviously bullish. Daily, obviously we're in bearish motion right now, but because I forgot, or I don't know what was going through my head, like I didn't even think about this, but the only way it can actually be classified as a bullish market is if it breaks structure to the upside, which means the candlestick, the body has to close above this wick in order to be considered a breaker structure to the upside. But as you can see, I took longs today, but I was supposed to take shorts. I don't know what was going through my head. I was a little bit debating on which, if I would take shorts or longs. At the end I took longs and lost. It's okay though, I learned from my mistakes. So yeah, in order to it to be considered bullish again, it will have to break structure to the upside on this wick, which means the body has to close above it, which is this woolly thingy, not just the wick, the body. But yeah, I was supposed to take shorts today, but I took longs. It's okay though. Hold on, let me mark it. When market opened, see right there. And today, the 24th, I think, we didn't have news. Oh yes, I did. So like I said, at 7:30, so I traded at 8. I traded like around 8. Yeah, traded around 8. But for tomorrow, we should be good to go. Normal 7 a.m. We should be good to go. But anyways, yeah, we should be good to go for tomorrow. Try like at 8, as you can see, 9, 8, around there. I honestly think this is hold on, give me a second. Either it was news that caused me to no. I don't think it was news, because again my daily bias would have been shorts. Yeah, in the daily, it was I thought it was bullish, but we were short. 4 hour, as you can see, it was consolidating. Didn't give me much a trend, but as you can see by this section right here, we're obviously in a downtrend, which is also a bearish market. Again, we're consolidating a lot right here, but we're bearish. And in order to break structure to the upside and consider it bullish, the market, the body of the candlestick will have to close right above the side, which it didn't. So we're still bearish for the day. But yeah, let's go down to the 15. This is a trade that I took. I saw this liquidity. But yeah, I saw this liquidity, which let's go down to the 5-minute. I actually was debating if I would have taken this as liquidity or this, because again I thought we was going bearish, but now that I'm seeing it, I already see a better trade I could have took on shorts. But let's just focus on the trade that I took. So I took this trade, liquidity, pressure structures to the upside. As you can see, it rallied back, but again it didn't. There was a fair value gap, but it didn't respect it. Neither it respect the order block, and neither it didn't respect the fair value gap. It was in discount, but let me see where I took the trade. I traded around this candlestick right here and put another around this candlestick. If that's what I'm seeing. Yeah, around that candlestick. Why? Because I saw this fair value gap which it didn't respect. This is also the trade I took on my real account, which in total I lost about $14. As you can see on the screen, around $14. But why did I took this trade? Because I thought it was gonna respect the fair value gap, but it didn't. Which again, I need to wait for the market to develop a bit. This was, I thought it was honestly gonna go back and take out this high, but it didn't, which is okay. And this one I took it because it broke short to the upside, but right away, as you can see, it just broke down to the downside, which I should have known, because again the daily was bearish. But yeah, and I got stopped around here. I got stopped right here, and yeah, this was not a good trade, just simply because of my daily bias. But yeah, I need to wait for the market to develop, because this completely destroyed this fair value gap, which it didn't respect it. It was in equilibrium, it was in discount, yeah, but again it didn't rally, so yeah, it didn't even respect the order block, so that should have been like a red flag. But yeah, a better trade that I could have took would have been this one. A better trade would have been this one. Go to the 15. To 5 minute. This candlestick right here. I would have waited for it to be honestly, if it came down right here, right there, order block, scale down. Oh, give me a second. But yeah, scale down. Where am I? Scale down. It tapped into auto block, which I respected a lot. What can I see? What can I see? It's also aligned with my equilibrium, as you can see. Which also, was there a fair ready gap? To the 15. There wasn't, but in the 1 minute I saw a fair value gap right around where is it? Where is it? Nope, I don't see no fair value gap. Yeah, there wasn't no fair value gap that I see. So yeah, there's no fair value gap, but liquidity sweep, order block, break or structure to the downside. Yeah, but shows to the downside, equilibrium. It's right here. Boom, would replace shorts. This candlestick right there, lower, and guess what? Target were lower, which honestly my take profit one would have been right here, and right this, and those would have been like 6.8. I would have won an amazing trade. But again, I made a mistake on my daily bias, which cost me this trade, which is okay because I learned from it. I learned that to not second guess myself on my daily bias. If it's short, it's short. Don't try to go the opposite direction because you have a gut feeling. Well, not necessarily a gut feeling, but you're just trying to go for longs. You feel me? But yeah, which is honestly just took like straight away my TP. Yeah, which I saw in the morning, but I was like, oh, I was debating on my daily bias if it was short or long, which it turned out to be short because it didn't box short to the upside, just like I showed y'all. But other than that, I think my key points I need to work on, again, wait for the market to develop, not to enter too early, because that's what I'm doing. The second, if my daily bias is bullish or short, don't try to change this unless it proves you wrong. Then you have to adapt to the daily bias, which would have been the opposite of which it is. But yeah, other than that, if the daily bias doesn't break structures to the upside or downside, you just keep trading whatever trend you are in. Third, always to stop placing two trades on my real account, because in total I lost about $14. I could have lost $10 instead. So yeah, stop placing second orders unless you hit your TP and you were trying to hit your second or third TP. But other than that, for tomorrow, again, we should be good. And yeah, this is my recap for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you.